Maths. Answer I'm getting different answer.
Me also.
Yeah, there are some questions answer are wrong. Yes.
Oh, okay, then I did everything correct.
Sixth question, even I am getting it wrong.
What are everyone got?
80 square units, ma'am.
80 square
80,
unit.
ma'am.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
80?
Ma'am, for sixth one I got
Yeah.
100 square units. 100.
100.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got the same answer
We
or
got
different answers?
Ma'am, and in the ninth one, I got 28 square units.
Even me too. Ninth one I got 28 square units.
In this exercise, there are addition or answers are wrong.
Ma'am, and in the 13th one, I got the value of P as. Oh, ma'am, I wanted to ask you this. If they ask the value of P, it can be positive and negative when you're calculating. That's in a few
Yes.
questions they gave the positive and negative, but for the 13th question, they only gave it as 3 minus 3. But so, should we have to calculate both?
Yes, both values you have to calculate. That is one question is there. Yes, I need to do that one question. That is values of x can be positive as well as negative.
There are two questions like that.
Yes, 22nd question that is.
And 13th.
13th also. Okay. Yes, it will be 13th also. So sixth question, what is the answer you got?
Ma'am, I got 100.
Others?
80, ma'am.
80.
80.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone 80.
Yeah, 80.
Then you have to check this one. Ankur, you have to check the answer. Everyone got 80. That means it should be 80.
Okay, ma'am.
And
I'll
which
see.
question number? Others one? Other question?
Ninth one, ma'am.
Ninth one.
Ninth one,
Ninth one answer?
28 square units.
28 square units.
Everyone got
Ma'am, I'm
28.
getting 22 for that.
That means calculation wrong. If others are
Ma'am,
going
getting 21, ma'am.
21. Everyone
28.
different.
Ma'am, 28.
28, ma'am.
Quadrilateral part, most of the students are doing mistakes. I don't know why. So first, always for coordinate geometry chapter, draw the diagram properly. Quadrilateral is given. Ninth one, PQRS. And always it should be in sequence. If you sequence you not done properly, then gone. You will not get the proper answer. Mary, you check your sequence. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am, my sequence is correct.
Then calculation mistake. Which diagonal you have drawn?
Ma'am, I drew PR.
So area PQR first. Half into -5, -3, -4, -6, 2 -3, -5, -3. This is equal to 5 6 are 30 plus 30 plus 12 minus 6 minus 5 3 are plus 15. 2 minus 6 is minus 12. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus plus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel. 42. 42 minus 6 is 36 minus 15. 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 21. So 21 by 2 square units. And then PRS area is equal to half minus 5 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 1, 2, minus 5 minus 3. So 1 by 2, 15 plus 4 minus 3 minus 10 minus 3 minus 6. So 1 by 2, 15 plus 1 that is 16 minus 19 that is plus 19. 35 by 2 square units. So area of quadrilateral 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2 that is 56 by 2 which is 28 square units.
Okay, ma'am, I got my mistake. I understood.
Calculation mistake. Plus minus minus plus. Then after that, 13th
Ma'am,
one.
ma'am, I just wanted to know if the 10th answer is correct.
10th one, everyone got the same answer? 72 everyone got? I think so, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it's right.
Yes, ma'am.
Most commonly asked question. Yes, Mary, it's right answer.
Okay, ma'am, I'll check it again because I made a mistake.
13th one, the vertices of the triangle are given and its area is given. So area of ABC is equal to half into 1 minus 3, 4 and P minus 9 and 7, 1 and minus 3. That is equal to 15. So 2 will go that side. It is 30 is equal to. Now simplify here. P plus 28 plus 27 minus 7 minus 9P minus 12. So P plus 55 minus 7 minus 12 minus 5 minus 9P minus 5 is equal to 30. P plus 55 plus 9P plus 5 is equal to 30. 10P plus 60 is equal to 30. Now this is absolute sign. So due to value of P, whatever the value of P, you get sometimes possibility that is this answer is positive also, and maybe this answer is negative as well. Because we are taking the minus sign out, this one minus sign we are not taking, so therefore you are getting only the positive 30. But if there is a possibility that this answer can be negative also, so instead of considering this negative, we will consider the value as either plus 30 or minus 30. So we have to consider two values, and this is very important part of this chapter. So here when you are taking out these questions, you have the value on other side, RHS side you have a value, and you have to open this absolute sign bracket. So at that time, the RHS value you have to consider positive as well as negative. So 10P plus 60 is equal to plus or minus 30. So now solve for both. 10P plus 60 is equal to 30, or 10P plus 60 is equal to minus 30. So 10P is equal to minus 30. So P is equal to minus 3. One value of P, or 10P is equal to minus 90. So P is equal to minus 9. So these are the two values of P you will get in this case. And if you solve only one and the second one you don't solve, then you will lose 1 mark out of 3 marks. It's clear?
Mom, I solved the whole thing again because I solved the whole thing again. I didn't know this.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the 13th one, second one, I wasn't able to solve. I was getting confused.
What second? 13th only I solved, no, in front of you.
But ma'am, this is part 1, right?
This is only one I have.
Ma'am, in my book, there's second, and that is also a CBSE question.
Can you read it?
Yes, ma'am, 1 second. Find the value of K so that the area of triangle ABC with A is K plus 1 and 1, B is
Plus
4.
1 and 1. No, tell me. I don't have that question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Mom, it's the question.
Find the value of
Find the value of K so that area of triangle ABC with A is K plus 1 and 1,
hmm,
B is 4 and minus 3,
hmm,
and C is 7 and minus K,
hmm.
and the area is 6 square units.
Okay. Same thing. Area of ABC is equal to half. K plus 1, 1. 4 minus 3. 7 minus K. And again K plus 1, 1. That is equal to 6. Simplify. 2 will go that side. It will become 12. So in this one, minus 3 into k plus 1. So that is minus 3k minus 3 minus 4k plus 7 minus k into k minus k into k plus 1. That is minus k square minus k. 7 into minus 3 minus 21. 4 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 12. So minus 3k minus 4k minus 7k plus 4 minus k square minus k minus 17 is equal to 12. Open the bracket. Minus 7k plus 4 plus k square plus k plus 17 is equal to 12. K square minus 6k plus 21 is equal to 12. Two values. K square minus 6k plus 21 is equal to plus minus 12. So two quadratic equations we will get. K square minus 6k plus 21 is equal to plus 12. K square minus 6k plus 21 is equal to minus 12. K square minus 6k plus 21 minus 12, that is plus 9, is equal to 0. So this is equal to k minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. K minus 3 is equal to 0. So value of k is 3. One value you will get here. This side it is k square minus 6k. This will come plus. So it will be 33 is equal to 0. Then it is 33, 11 and 3. It's not divisible. No value. Then you have to solve by quadratic formula method because it will come a square root number. So it is x is equal to k is equal to minus b, that is plus 6 minus under root b square 36 minus, it is a negative number you are getting, minus 4 into 33. So which is by 2. So which is a negative number. So this value of k is imaginary. We are not considering. Only value of k is 3.
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
that-
Thank you.
Is that the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Here you will get 33 into k, whatever you will do. And then if you subtract from 36, that is minus negative value, you will get negative. So square root of negative number is not possible. That means the k value is imaginary number. We are not need to consider that.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
21st, are you going to teach her, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
17th one, have you solved? Till which question you have solved?
Ma'am, 16.
16th done. So 17th, how to solve the 17th one? If the points P, M3 lies on the line segment joining the points A and B, find the value of M. So what we have to do? P is present between A and B. This means A, P and B are collinear points. So area is 0.
Ma'am, you should find the area formula, ma'am.
Yeah, use area formula.
I use that the other
AP
formula
plus
I
PB is equal to AB. That is much more complicated, longer method.
got the wrong answer, so I asked, ma'am.
Yeah, so solve that 17th one.
Okay, ma'am.
Solve everyone, 17th question. P is present between A and B. P is M comma 3. A is minus 2 by 5 comma 6. And B is 2 comma 8. Then use the area of this. Area is equal to 0. And by using that area formula, find the value of M. Try.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got -4, ma'am.
Yes, right answer. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
1 second. Ma'am, what is the answer?
What you got?
Ma'am, -269/40.
Oh my God. It's -4.
Oh, I'll try it again.
Who have completed, try the 9th one, 18th one. Eighteenth one is Rxy, present between P and Q. So we have to show that x plus y is equal to a plus b. So that means R is present between P and Q. So that is P, R, Q are collinear points. That is area of PRQ is equal to 0. So it is half AB, XY, BA and AB again is equal to 0. So half will go that side, becomes 0. Then it is half will go RHS, becomes 0. Then it is AY plus XA plus B square minus A square plus BY plus BX is equal to 0. Simplify. AY plus AX plus B square minus A square minus BY minus BX is equal to 0. So for simplifying, what we can do is
Ma'am,
AY minus BY AX minus BX is equal to, so this A square and B square, we'll take it on other side. A square minus B square. Now take Y common, A minus B plus X common, A minus B is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So take A minus B common. So in bracket it is Y plus X left out. So A plus B into A minus B. So this A minus B cancel. X plus Y is equal to A plus B. Got it? Did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is an important question, ma'am.
Yes. Solve the 19th one. 19th and 20th both.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the 20th one, we should take again this.
Yes, plus or minus 10 you have to consider.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 19th one is -5.
Yes, right answer. Twentieth one.
And 20th one is 8 by 3 and 0, ma'am.
0 and
8 by 3, ma'am.
8 by 3, right?
Ma'am, 19th one, I'm
20.
taking there's 5 only, ma'am.
Ma'am, 19th one minus 5.
Minus 5, yes.
Ma'am, in the absolute, this thing will get 25 minus 5k, no, ma'am.
25 minus 5k is equal to
0.
Ma'am, I got as minus 25 minus 5k in the bracket.
minus 25 minus 5k, right?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Then 20th.
Ma'am,
Yes.
28, 8 by 3 and 0, ma'am.
Yeah, 0 and 8 by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am. 0 and 8 by 3.
That's right. Everyone done 20th question?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Got the answer? 20th one?
Ma'am, first answer is 0, no, ma'am.
Yes, first is 0. Second one?
Ma'am, 0 and 8 by 3.
Minus, yeah, it's 8 by 3, right?
Got it, ma'am.
21st one?
Mom, I'm getting confused in the brackets. In the brackets, I got 15a minus 20. Is that right?
15a minus
20.
20
20.
minus 15.
That is equal to plus minus 10.
20.
What?
No, that I took the 1 by 2 on the other side, so it became 20.
20. Okay. That is plus 20. Plus 20. That is 40. 40 by 15. That is 8 by 3. And if you take minus 20, then 50a minus 20 is equal to minus 20. 15a is equal to minus 20 plus 20, which is 0. So a is equal to 0.
Yeah, I got a mistake.
21st, if a, b are not equal and they are not equal to 0 also, then only prove that the points, these are never collinear. So first check out the collinearity property. The area, if these points are collinear, or find the area, leave this part. Finding area of 3
Ma'am,
points.
I did not understand the question, ma'am. Like, what is
When
it?
you will solve, find the area, then you will get to know by the reactions. First try to find out the area.
Okay.
A square, b square, 0, 0, a square. First, we will find out the area of this. We don't know equal to whatever it is. So this is 1 by 2 ab square plus 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus a square b. So half ab square minus a square b. Factorize it. Half in bracket ab into bracket b minus a. If now here you got this as the area. Now what they are told, if a is not equal to b or both of them are not equal to 0, then these points are not collinear. So if they are collinear, what it should be? If suppose these points are collinear, then that means area should be 0. So when you will get area 0 in this, if this is the equation, in which condition the area will be 0? Either any one of this should be 0, one condition, and the second condition is b and a are equal. If a is 0, one condition, that is if a is 0, the complete product will become 0. That's right.
Yes, ma'am.
Second condition, if b is 0, then also the full product will be 0.
Yes, ma'am.
And third condition is these are not 0, but if they are equal to each other, then if they are equal, then b minus a will become 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the three possibilities. Then only area is 0. If these three are not possible conditions, so a is also not equal to 0, b is also not equal to 0, and a and b are also not equal, then is possible that is area will be 0?
No, ma'am.
No. If a not equal to b and which is not equal to z, then ab or b minus a will not be equal to 0. So therefore area of these 3 points can never be 0. So this means points can never be collinear. If their areas are not 0, that means what? The points are not collinear. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand this question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand the meaning of that question? So if any one of this condition satisfied, if a is equal to 0, or if b is equal to 0, or a and b are equal, then only we will get this answer. The bracket answer will be 0. Then the area will be 0, and under that condition we can say that is these 3 points are collinear points. But if these 3 conditions are not satisfying, then what will happen? Area cannot be 0. And if area is not 0, that means
They're not they're
they are
not
collinear. They can never be collinear. Right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then solve the 22nd one.
Ma'am, just 21st.
First write down this one question.
Ma'am, in my book it is 24th one, I think, ma'am.
Yep, older book I think so. I have now.
Ma'am, so the conditions are either A should be 0, B should be 0, or A and B should be equal.
Yeah, both should be equal. Then only the area will be 0. Other than that, area cannot be 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can solve 22nd by yourself. 23rd one, right? 23rd one. Leave the 22nd, start 23rd one.
Ma'am, can you read the question?
Yeah. Prove that points are collinear if. Prove that points A0, 0B, and 1, 1 are collinear if 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1. So only when this condition is satisfied, then only these points are collinear. Otherwise, they are not. So what is this condition? For simplify this, B plus A by AB is equal to 1. So value of B plus A should be equal to AB. So if this condition is satisfied, then only these 3 points are collinear. Otherwise, they are not. So find out area. Try finding area. Half A0, 0B, 1, 1 and A0. 1 by 2 AB plus 0 plus 0 minus A plus B plus 0. So half AB minus A plus B. Now tell me. Yes, Mary, what can we say now?
Sorry, ma'am.
What can we say from this? How we need to prove the given question?
Ma'am, they're asking 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 0. If the points are collinear, if 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 0.
Where it is 0?
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you properly.
What is the question and what you are telling? You are not able to see the question on the this one on the screen.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I'm seeing.
I have solved. You were there when I was solving.
Yes, ma'am, I'm seeing that. You asked me to read the question, right?
No, I'm asking what you can say after this. How can we say that is the points are collinear?
Oh, we need to solve this first, the 1 by A plus 1 by B, and try to show it to this AB minus A plus B. And then try to prove it.
How to prove further? The last step after that, what I need to do?
Ma'am, 1 by A plus 1 by B LCM we should take.
Already we have taken, I think so.
Ma'am,
We have already taken this as 1. Yes, Shambhavi?
if the points are collinear, then we should show it area is equal to 0, right?
No, first they are not collinear. We have to prove that they are collinear.
Okay.
We have to prove that they are collinear only when this condition is there. So this condition tells that B plus A is equal to AB. Now we have to substitute this value here. So it is 1 by 2 AB and the value of A plus B is AB again. So minus AB. So it is AB minus AB is 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So therefore area is 0 and therefore points are collinear. We have to show that points are collinear by using that given condition. So the given condition, after solving, we get B plus A is equal to AB. Then we try to find out the area of those 3 points. So in that we stuck where AB minus A plus B we got. So then at that place substitute A plus B as AB and then find the answer. So 1 by 2 into 0 you will get. So that means area we will get 0 when that condition is used. So if the area is 0, this means that points are collinear. Those points are collinear. for the 27th one. After this 27th one.
Ma'am, the question were 4 points A, B, that question.
Yeah, x and 3x is there. D value is x and 3x.
Okay.
4 points A, 6, 3. B as minus 3, 5. C as 4 minus 2. And D as x and 3x are such that triangle DBC, area triangle DBC by area triangle ABC. Nothing is given, that means it is area. Is equal to 1 by 2. Find x. So find the area of triangle DBC and ABC separately. Or find area of ABC. Half of that is equal to area of DBC. So anyhow, find out area of both. ABC also and DBC also. Separately find out and tell me the last equation.
Ma'am, ABC I got as 49 by 2.
49 by 2 ABC you got. Okay, then DBC.
Fourteen x plus 13.
14.
Oh, I did a mistake.
So area of DBC by area of ABC is equal to 1 by 2. DBC is absolute 14x minus 7
Yeah.
by 49 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to 14x minus 7 is equal to 1 by 2 into 14 by 2. That is 14 by 4, 49 by 4. But this is plus or minus when we remove the absolute sign. So two values of x we will get. 14x minus 7 is equal to 49 by 4, or 14x minus 7 is equal to minus 49 by 7. Simplify. Take 7 common. 2x minus 1 is equal to 49 by 4. 7 7s are. So 4 will go that side. 8x minus 4 is equal to 7. 8x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11 by 8. one value of x, second value 7 common, 2x minus 1 is equal to, here already 7, minus 7, then 2x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, 2x is equal to minus 1 plus 1. Am I right?
Why do you take minus
No,
1
no,
plus
no.
7, ma'am?
No, it's 4. No, sorry, this is 4. What?
No, ma'am. Not it, ma'am.
Now here it is 8x minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 8x is equal to minus 1 plus 4, that is 3. So 8x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by 8. This was 4. No, something I've done again mistake. Yeah, I've done mistake something.
Ma'am, what's the value of DBC?
Absolute sign 14x minus 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Minus 3. Don't forget to take two values. When absolute sign you are removing at that time the LRHS part, equal to part, whatever the number is present, that you have to take positive as well as negative. Is that the answer? Yes, 11 by 8 and minus 3 by 8.
Ma'am, is it necessary to mention the reason now?
Yes, you have to take it. Otherwise, you lose marks. And this question was asked earlier. One of the paper I've seen this question for 4 marks.
Ma'am, you should mention the reason, ma'am.
No, not need to mention the reason. Only removing absolute sign, you have to take one positive and one negative value.
No need to mention why we take,
No,
ma'am.
why? Not needed to mention.
Okay,
You can
ma'am.
directly take it.
Ma'am.
Okay. Everyone got this? Completed? Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This part is important. Here, if you do mistake, then everything gone. Full marks you will not get.
Ma'am, this is the last concept of the chapter, ma'am.
Yeah, done. Concept part all done.
Still, how many classes of this chapter, ma'am?
Done today. Third question. A1 minus 2, B 2, 3, C A comma 2, D minus 4 comma minus 3 form parallelogram. Find the value of A and height of parallelogram taking AB as base. So here, what should be done? How can you find the value of A?
Ma'am, the distance between AB is equal to distance between
No,
BC.
no,
We have to divide the parallelogram into two triangles and then equate the areas.
no.
Ma'am, the diagonals, we draw the diagonals and the midpoint, we get it? The one that doesn't have A, that is D and B. So D and B we can calculate and then do it.
Yes. A is the x coordinate. So O's is x coordinate, calculate. O is midpoint of Mithun and Saptashi. So quickly you will forget this part.
Ma'am, I thought other way. That way can be done, no, ma'am.
You will get quadratic equation to solve that. Square roots and quadratic equations.
Yes, ma'am.
O's is x coordinate minus 4 plus 2 by 2. That is also equal to AC's is midpoint 1 plus A by 2. They should be equal. Minus 2 by 2 is equal to 1 plus A by 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Minus 2 is equal to A plus 1 plus A. A is equal to minus 2 minus 1. A is equal to minus 3. Now knowing the value of A, that is minus 3 and 2 is the C's coordinates, find the area of parallelogram. And then that area is also equal to base into height formula. So base is AB and then height, form that one. So no need to find out the area of parallelogram because they have not asked the area of parallelogram. So only take ABD triangle and then from that this is a height. This height you have to calculate. So area of this triangle is equal to half into base into height. So find out that. So find the area of ABD. That is equal to half into base into height. So half base is AB and height h we have to calculate. AB we can calculate by distance formula. So value of AB is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus of minus 2, that is plus 3 whole square. So 2 minus 1 square is 1 plus 3 plus 2 5, 5 square is 25. So square root of 26 units is the value of AB. So half into square root 26 into h. That for that you need the value of ABD triangle. So ABD's area calculate by formula. area formula by coordinate geometry. This is area formula. Find out that, substitute in this equation and find the value of h. So area of ABD, find out
Twelve square units.
yes, right. So this value substitute here. So it will be 24 by 26 roots 26 is equal to h. Then rationalize it. You can keep the value 24 by root 26 also, otherwise you can rationalize it. Not by root 26. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Ma'am, height perpendicular. So that is Pythagoras.
Perpendicular. Why Pythagoras theorem? Area formula you use, no better. So how you'll calculate this height where it is landing? You can't find out. It's clear?
Yes.
Is this question clear? This question was asked 2-3 times in board exam.
Clear.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
The remaining questions of level 2, only marked questions you have to solve. That's it. And this Wednesday test will be of probability. Okay?
Ma'am, so we should learn from Adi Sharma, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, 6 to 7, ma'am.
7 to 8. Same time it will be.
Yes.
Okay, probability test will be there this Wednesday.